Okay, you guys, so I'm starting off with my P. Louise base. This is nothing new. I like to just apply that on my eyelids and my crease and everything else, pretty much all the way up to my brow bone. And then I like to go in with the sponge to blend it out, so that way we get an even application of the eyeshadow and everything blends nice and seamlessly.
You don't deserve it. I'm just being honest. You haven't earned it, and you were worth it. You don't deserve it. I'm just being honest.
Now I'm taking my cosmetic paint and I'm going to be applying that to my outer corner and my crease area. I went in with this base because I tend to find that browns don't really stand out on my skin tone. I don't even think it has anything to do with the base or anything, but it's just, I don't know, for some odd reason I feel like browns don't pop on my skin tone. So I just wanted to go in with the extra pigment, that way the browns can pop a little bit more. Now I'm going to be going into my P. Louise palette and taking that first deep dark shade, and I'm going to be applying that in my outer corner area.
We can take it slow. Stay up till the morning. I'm just taking this moment.
So now I'm going in with the second deepest shade, and I'm just going to be applying that on the base as well, that brown base that we applied. And yeah, you guys, I'm just going to be applying those shades. I mainly like to pack on the color and then do the blending later. What I like to do actually is just apply those colors, and then once we get more into the transitions, that's when we're going to do more blending work.
Won't you come a little closer? Won't you come on over?
I thought about it, thought about it. I thought about it, thought about it. Thought about it. I thought about it, thought about it. Thought about it. I thought about it, thought about it.
Both know that it won't work. We both know that it won't work. Both know that it won't work. We both know that it won't work. Both know that it won't work.
So I already went ahead and cut the crease. You guys see me do this 1,001 times. That's why I did not include it in today's video. But yeah, so for the lid, I wanted to do a ombre kind of look. So I went ahead and just went in with the lightest shade to the deepest shade. And something I want you guys to notice when I am applying these shades, I know it's kind of hard to see, but I like to apply the shade, and then when I go on with the next shade, I kind of overlap it. That way the colors can have that more seamless blend, and it looks like it's just like more like gradient effects on the lid.
Baby, won't you come a little closer? Baby, won't you come a little closer? Won't you come on over? Baby, won't you come a little closer?
So now I'm taking that same cosmetic paint that we use for the base, and I'm going to be lining my lash line. I'm not doing a line like that's too thick or anything, but I did want to have a brown line just to blend my lashes a little bit better. So yeah, after I applied that, I just set it with that same shade that we use in the crease. It was the second to deepest shade.
Thought about it. I thought about it, thought about it. Thought about it. I thought about it, thought about it.
Both know that it won't work.
So now I'm going to start on my base routine. Now, you guys, I was all over the place when it came to my makeup in this video because it's not even like I was all over the place, but I just did not like my foundation. I just did not like it at all. Like the foundation, the contour, highlight, all of that stuff I did not like. And I will later explain why. But yeah, I'm just going in with primer and that foundation. Now, this is my first time trying the L'Oreal Infallible, and a lot of people told me that this was a matte foundation, but I did not feel matte in this foundation. Like I don't know. It was just weird. And then it didn't make it any better with the concealers and stuff that I use. So yeah, I will just blended that out. And yeah, we're going to go into concealer in a minute, and this is where things like really took a turn for the worst.
keep hesitating, life it kept going wrong, kept going wrong. Stuck inside this cage I made for way too long, for way too long. Now I'm staring at the starlight, waiting for directions, got in the way. And this life it keep on crashing, and I keep collapsing, won't lose my faith. Safety I ain't got none, and it's risk full on till I'm on one. Life a movie, it's a marathon, so I keep on. Do it wrong and do it right, in the end I won't be fine. Darkness can't escape the light. Keep looking forward, never look behind. No, one day I will suffice, now I'm gonna catch this high. I keep hesitating, life it kept going wrong, kept going wrong. Stuck inside this cage I made for way too long, for way too long.
Okay, y'all, so this is where things really took a turn for the worse. Another thing that I forgot to mention is the foundation was a little bit too light and a little bit too orange. Yeah, so that kind of threw it off as well. But this is where it really took a turn for the worse. So I honestly like concealers and foundations and stuff to be more on the matte side, even though I do have dry skin. But these concealers, I was trying to give another chance, but I just did not like it. Literally after this video, I just threw them away because they're just way too hydrating. Like, I could have used a little bit less than what I did, I will say that, but still, you guys, I just do not like these concealers at all anymore. There's just it's just not really me anymore. Like, it was just way too wet on the skin. I just don't like that. Like, they don't dry down pretty much at all, and they crease like crazy. So I'm just like, this is not really for me. I'm not really feeling it. Like, later on in the video, you guys will see that I'm like literally piling powder on my face because I just felt so like just wet. Like, I just, oh my god, my skin felt so wet and I just did not like it at all. I did go in with some liquid blushes as well. That's kind of on the hydrating side, and honestly, you guys, I'm not used to doing a bunch of cream contour and blush and everything like that. Like, I like to keep it more on the powder side. That's just me, but I do have the liquid blushes, so I wanted to use them. So yeah, if I did the cream contour, then I wanted to do the blush as well. I was like, I just might as well do it. So yeah, you guys, so that was just too much cream products on my skin at once. That was just a little bit too much for me. So yeah, I feel like that's pretty much where I went wrong, is the concealers, and just everything went wrong, honestly. Like, I just did not like it at all. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Now, even though I did not like how the base came out, I really do like how I did the more ombre kind of look for the blush. This is my first time doing something like this, and I really like how it came out. I like how it was just that orangey kind of tone, and then it faded into the pink. Now, even though these liquid blushes are hydrating as well, I do recommend them because they're so pigmented, so a little goes a long way. So yeah, once I set that blush, oh, that's another thing that I noticed as well. Even though I had set the blush, I still felt like wetness in that area. So, like, I hope I'm not freaking y'all out or nothing, like grossing y'all out because I'm using this word. At least I'm not saying moist. But yeah, so it's just, I just felt, honestly, I felt moisture, and I'm just like, oh, I just do not like this. It's like, no matter how much powder I use, it's just still not setting it. I still don't feel matte. Like, I'm just a matte girl. I just love matte. So yeah, that was like another little complaint that I had about my face makeup and everything, but I do like the colors of the blushes a lot. So yeah, you guys, I had already set my under eye area and everything. I was just setting my nose and my forehead. But I'm just like, I still feel like it's not set. Like, it was just such a bad feeling, y'all, I'm telling you. So I just started going ham with the powder. I do not care. I was just like, I gotta get this feeling off of my skin because I literally hate it. Like, I was so uncomfortable. But yeah, thank God I was using a powder that is really finely milled, and no matter how much you put on, it doesn't really give you that cakey kind of look. Now, if I went in with like 2 or 3 more layers, then it would have got a little bit out of control. But yeah, the little amount that I used, well, not the little, but the amount that I used, it wasn't too much to where it made me look cakey.
Baby, won't you come a little closer? Oh, baby, won't you come a little closer? Won't you come on over? Baby, won't you come a little closer? Oh, baby, won't you come a little closer? Won't you come on over?
I thought about it, thought about it, thought about it.
So now I'm going in with my rhinestones that I got from Amazon. I like to go in with lash glue and just, you know, make the dots or whatever, let that kind of sit on the skin just for a little bit so it can get tacky. And then I just apply the rhinestones with this nail tool thing. I don't really know what it's called, but yeah, you use it to pick up the rhinestones and everything. And then yeah, I was just fixing the placement and everything. And yeah, so now I'm going in with my lashes. Yes, I put my lashes on with my fingers. Don't play with me. I ain't to be played with. No, I'm just playing. So yeah, I just applied those, and yeah.
We both know that it won't work. Both know that it won't work. We both know that it won't work. You got me in my feelings.
So now I'm lining my lash line with the P. Louise Cosmetic Paint in Blank Canvas. I like to use this shade because I feel like it's just a perfect nude. And these cosmetic paints do dry down to a matte finish. So yeah, I feel like it's perfect for the waterline. Long as you do it a certain way. If you get too close to like your eyeball, it'll start getting all in your eye and stuff like that. So you have to be really careful. Now I'm taking this little glitter or whatever and just applying that glue. If you guys are curious, what I use to like apply my glitter is lash glue. Yeah.
Won't you come on over? Baby, won't you come a little closer? Oh, baby, won't you come a little closer? Won't you come on over?
Thought about it. I thought about it, thought about it, thought about it. I thought about it, thought about it, thought about it. I thought about it.
Okay, so now I'm moving on to lips, and I'm lining my lips with Jeffree Star lip pencil and Dominatrix. And y'all, don't come for me because I'm using Jeffree Star stuff, okay? I bought this a long time ago. His stuff is expensive and I'm going to use it, okay? So yeah, I'm just going in with my MAC lipstick and then just finishing off with some gloss. And that's honestly the end of the video. Y'all, I'm not really into highlight anymore. It's just not my thing. So yeah, this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video and you learned something new. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next one. Mwah.
We both know that it won't work. You got me in my feelings.